Now, let me go ahead and show you the video that I'm talking about. So GodLogic, he made a video entitled, Prove Me Wrong. As you can see, see the thumbnail on the right side right here, family. Prove me wrong. Muslims and Hebrew Israelites have no answers. Live debates. So that was streamed 5 months ago. And my point of contention was over that YouTube title. I just wanted to show that not all Hebrew Israelites are the same and that Hebrew Israelites do have answers. Okay, a lot of them don't have answers, but some of them actually do have answers. A lot of them have answers. A lot of us have answers. This was what I was curious about right here. Prove me wrong. Muslims and Hebrew Israelites have no answers. Now, I get it. Part of it, I get it as a content creator. As content creators, we attempt to make catchy thumbnails and catchy titles. I get that. However, that's a very bold title. Muslims and Hebrew Israelites have no answers. That's right. All praises to Yah, because it's not our answers. We get our answers from Yah. Yah has all the answers. Yah has all the answers. It's our duty to follow and apply those answers. He says, so much misrepresentation of the Israelites. Pray for this ministry. Yes, we are so misrepresented. It's on purpose, but part of that's intentional. It's what comes with it, family. It comes with the assignment of being an Israelite, of following Yah. We're going to be misrepresented. We're going to be stereotyped. And the Torah talks of strangers, one law for all, one Torah for the homeborn and the stranger. I love the stranger and the homeborn, the Israelite and the non-Israelite. Hopefully, in the future, we can have a conversation. I want to have a build, and I would like the opportunity to share information in regards to the Hebrew Israelite community. I like to share that we have different perspectives, different beliefs, different customs, and that we're all not the same. I like to say to GodLogic that hopefully in the future we can have a build, a conversation, and peace, love, and blessings to you and your family. At the end of the day, whether if we agree or not, I still have to show love. I still have to follow Torah. And I don't know his background. I know he's a melanated man. I don't know if he's a Black American. I don't know where he's from. But there's a high chance that he's an Israelite. Let me repeat that. There is a high chance that he is an Israelite. I do not want to come at an Israelite. I don't want to come foul at another Israelite. Whether he embraces his Israelite identity or not, at the end of the day, he's a Black man. And I stand for the values of RBG. I rock the RBG, the UNIA flag. As you see in my videos, I rock the UNIA flag. That's not a gimmick, family. As melanated people throughout the world, we have so much struggles. We have to deal with oppression. And we have to deal with not only outsiders coming at us, but our own people coming at us. We have to deal with hate from all around us. So at the end of the day, he is a Black man. And more than likely, he's an Israelite. You have Christian Israelites. You have Hebrew Israelites that are actual Christians. You have Hebrew Christians. Israelites, Hebrew Israelites are a nation of people. Does it include religion? I don't like that word religion. I know Christians don't like that word religion either. But can we use that word loosely here? Yes, it includes religion. But to be accurate, Israelites, we are a nation of people. So we're going to have differences. So for God Logic to say that Hebrew Israelites have no answers, I don't know how some of those who are Hebrew Israelite Christians, I don't know how they're going to take that, because there are Hebrew Israelite Christians out there. And, you know, I'm sure there's a lot of people that come in his inbox. And that's the other thing, too. He probably has a lot of people coming at him. I imagine he gets a lot of hate. I mean, he's going against the Muslim community. I wouldn't be surprised if he's gotten even worse than hate, threats. So that's what I'm saying. Like, I got love for him, and I don't even know him.